how to pause notifications and adjust notification settings on Slack on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to manage your notifications in just a few steps. First, open the Slack app on your Windows 11 PC. After that, click on your profile picture at the bottom left of the screen. Let me show you. From there, click on Notifications from the menu. At this point, a list of time options will appear. Choose how long you want to pause notifications for, such as 30 minutes, 1 hour, or until tomorrow. In the next step, click on your preferred option, and notifications will be paused for that duration. From there, you'll see a moon icon appear next to your profile picture, indicating that notifications are currently paused. At this stage, if you want to resume notifications early, follow the same process and click on Resume Notifications. From there, you'll see options for when Slack notifies you. Choose between all new messages, direct messages, mentions, and keywords, or nothing. Finally, once you're happy with your settings, close the Preferences window. Your notification preferences will be saved automatically and applied right away. And that's it. If this guide helped you pause notifications and adjust settings on Slack, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.